Today's video is about a project I've been waiting for so long to happen. IKEA furniture hack, but with a twist. Hi everyone! Hope you all are having a wonderful day and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Adriana, co-founder of Modern Avenue, and my passion is designing and creating furniture. Recently, I moved into a new apartment with my sister, and you know how moving is. You want to get rid of old things and bring in the new. In my case, I wanted to transform my dresser that I bought from IKEA 4 years ago. I know it's a long time, but I love the size, I love the space, but it is kind of boring for me and this space. So today I'm gonna show you how I completely transformed it and made it into a brand new design.
Okay, hi. Let me go again. Okay, so we are in my room right now. The dresser that I'm actually gonna flip is right here. I'm gonna add some very cool dowel designs in the front, gonna change the color, and hopefully it fits with this design that we're gonna do in this room.
Here it is, the IKEA Hems 8-drawer dresser. Simple, sleek, but it desperately needs a cool design and color to fit my new bedroom aesthetic.
Wait, are you gonna help me? Let's make something for my dresser.
I came to Home Depot in search of the perfect beige shade. It was challenging to pick one among so many pretty colors. I already had some colors in mind, but making the final decision was so tough. Eventually, I chose Mocha Latte by Bear, which is a moody beige.
Unloading the dresser.
For the design, I knew I wanted to use our statement jumbo dowels. I also decided to convert the top small sections into 6 drawers instead of 8. The first step was to remove the existing hardware and tracks. I also took off the face of the drawers to make it easier to attach the wooden dowel panels. Next, I started sanding. I used an orbital sander. I used an orbital sander and scuff sanded the entire piece with 150 grit sandpaper to remove all of the existing top coat. Nikita was in charge of creating the wooden dowels. He measured and used our program to perfectly cut out the dowels. And I think it turned out great. Then he screwed the wood in place, aligning all of the dowels to give the dresser It's like, why am I giving myself so many freaking hard words? Aligning all of the dowels to give dimension to the dresser. I make sure to clean off all the dust from the sanding. And now it's ready for primer! Yes, primer! I'm using the Bin Shellac primer. This formula is simply the best. Dressers get used a lot, at least for me, so I wanted to make sure that I used good products that gave a long-lasting result. No skipping steps! These wooden dowels had some dents and imperfections, so to make them all match, I used some Bondo to fix all of those imperfections. Okay, now it's paint time. Look how gorgeous that beige shade is. I am so in love. I'm using my Wagner spray painting gun. Usually I do use my Earl X, but it was actually being used for another project. So this one did just the trick. Usually I let the paint dry about 1 hour before recoating. Then I moved on to sanding the dowels. They had a rough finish coming out of the CNC machine. I started sanding with 120 grit, and then I used this super cool tool to help me get into all the crevices. After painting the dresser and the drawers, I gave them one more sanding with 320 grit. After adding back the hardware, I put in the original tracks using a drill and the existing screws. You know, I couldn't resist this cute wallpaper. I measured and attached it to all the drawers to give them a designer and unique feel. And here is the final result. I still can't believe this is an IKEA dresser. The design exceeded all of my expectations, and I'm now ready to enjoy this dresser for years to come. And who knows, maybe it'll become a family heirloom. Well, that's all we have for today's video. And what do you think about this transformation? I would love to know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for our next video.